Now, next line is little more harder line. Well, it's so difficult path is there. Shurasya dhara nishita duratya durgam pathastat kavyo vadanti. Well, this path is walking like walking on the edge of the sharp razor's edge. It is not a honeymoon path. अरे हाँ रेजर सेज हाँ ब्लंट लेजर अरे ब्लंट नहीं शुर शुर you know chura word has come. Chura word has come from kshura. Kshura means the knife which is there. Therefore barber is called kshurkaha. Barber is called kshurkaha. And therefore shaving is called kshaur karm in Sanskrit. Kshaur. So because you need a razor for that. Kshaur karm. So churasya dhara nishita. Nishita means sharpened. Tikshnikrita. So Surashya Dhara means this agram, the edge of the knife, etc. Duratya, it is difficult to walk. Duratya means difficult to walk. Dukhen atyayasya. So and therefore Durgam means dukhen gantum shakyam. It is difficult to walk on this path. Who says Kavyo Vadanti? Why? First I told you everything is subjective matter here. You can't say we both will do sadhana together. हम भी साधना करें so बैठ जाओ. You also sit, I also sit. We both will meditate together. Okay? You sit here. Okay? Let us hold our hand also. So और क्या भाई प्यार से मेडिटेशन करें ऐसा क्या हम भी तुम यहाँ बैठ जाओ तुम भी बैठ जाओ हम लोग we both will be we love each other so much let us meditate also. Somebody said one day he said I use tape recorder to meditate. At that time tape recorder was there. But today meditation was very bad. I said why? Well battery got ये path ही इतना difficult है. You know when I left my house ask me what happened. It's not that in Durban, you are in Durban, your house is here, mummy comes every day, daddy comes every day, brings some toffee also, takes your clothes also, washes your clothes, brings the clothes back and say, don't tell Swamiji about it. There I had to leave the house without telling anyone in the house. Imagine the plight at that time. Mother was not well. Because I asked them and father said no whatever you need we will give me the list of whatever books you want. I will get all the books for you. You need not go anywhere. We had no guts to argue anything. अब क्या करें भाई Gurudev said you come by 6th September you should be in the ashram. So I said when he has said I have to follow someone at least follow somebody in life. Imagine leaving the house in this condition. How to leave the house also? So that box was there. Somehow packed the things. Money was not there too much. Packed 2-3 sets of white clothes. Then went. Then left. Without telling. अब imagine that plight. Mother was very attached to me. I was also very attached. After that, whole night traveling was there. Train was there. From train you go. You think what would have been going in the house. What, havoc must be in the house right now. So much ups and downs. And that time, whom to hold on to? Just chant Lord's name, chant Hanuman Chalisa 100 times. Do this, may God let them be quiet, let them be quiet. You reach ashram, nobody knew me, neither I knew anybody. At that time, Gurudev was also not there. You reach ashram, go to the office. Your room number is 103. Okay. Why are you standing? Go. Why are you standing? Go. Go there. No, no, I didn't know how to put on lungi properly also. So like a calendar is wrapped. I wrapped that. Problem is after you wrap, you can't move properly. Cut, you can't walk. The steps are very good. It is all now. You didn't know properly how to do that. Every step there was some problem like that. Then you go to eat there. They say wash dishes for 80 people, 100 people. Then they say, okay, morning class will be there on Tattabodh. You have to do Narayan Seva. I'm saying, what is Narayan Seva? Bole, go and sweep the temple. A big temple was there. Only I got one broom. ये क्या बात है यार हम पढ़ने लिखने आए हैं this is I've come for study or you are asking me to sweep all these things. Don't you know I'm graduate and postgraduate in this subject. I was very good student. No, nobody wants to know all these things. Then you go start sweeping. First time you start sweeping the floor. Somebody comes, hey, here also sweep properly. I left this. Hey, with this broom, don't tell me all these things. I'm not a ordinary person. Every step. But God was there, only God was. I said, okay, I have come here to drop my ahankar. Let them say anything, it doesn't matter. I'll sleep everywhere. Then chanting classes started. Extremely boring we felt. What is this chanting classes? Hat, ये क्या है? So this Purush Sukht was the first one. Purush Sukht, you have not heard that. ये क्या फायदा? What is this chanting classes there? Then he'll say, Om Sahasra Shirsha Purusha. You have to, अरे सीधे सीधे बोलो सहस शीर्षा पुरुषा. No, you have to go up and down. Om Sahasra Shirsha Purusha. उसी में लगे हुए हैं 5 बार. Mine used to say, what purpose of all these things? Yeah. Sahasraksha Sahasrapa Sabhumim Vishwato Vritva. Again, Sabhumim Vishwato Vritva. 4 times you say. Arey yaar, 4 times. One is I can't say. Sabhumim Vishwato Vritva. Sabhumim Vishwato Vritva. Hey, don't look at me, teacher is saying. Look at the book. Mind, not that I was angry, but I'm not understanding what is the purpose of all that. Anger was not there too much that I was to be angry. Then after that, Bhagavad chanting, yellow. Bhagavad chanting is so difficult. Chanting of Bhagavad, one hour chanting of Bhagavad. Not talking on Bhagavad, chanting on Bhagavad. You chant Bhagavad, you understand how ticklish the words are. Then again class, then this class, and then letter will come from the house. खूब टेस्ट होता है. You see on the letter tears are there. Mother's tears are there. You left me. You did not know what I'm going through. This is there. I stand on the road and see if you can come back. Still I am waiting for you. Come back for one day. You can go back. I want to see you. Or here, Upanishad class is there. Kasminnu Bhagavo Vikyate. Immediately 10:30 letter came. 11 o'clock class. Half an hour went in reading the letter. पैसा है नहीं, money is not there. Whatever food is there, we have to eat that food. 12:30 lunch, 8 o'clock dinner. Between nothing. Only 3:30 we had tea. No biscuit, nothing. No bread, no biscuit, nothing. And and there was a water in which milk had been put. Not that, not that there was water put in the milk. अब क्या करें भाई, यही सब चलता रहता था. Health got disturbed at that time. Then make notes also every day. Every day notes also. After the class, make notes. Write Sanskrit, this, that. So they say Kshurasya Dhara, walking on the edge, razor edge, because likes are there. Then you remember, Arey, my Mamaji was there. Where is Mamaji now? I always very good. Then I was very close to my son of that Mamaji. Where is he? Then 4 friends came who was studying with me. Arey, how are you? I said, our teacher said nobody should meet you. Okay. Nobody should, no, you don't invite anybody to meet you because they will disturb your studies and they'll go away after that. You're a brahmacharis. इतनी डांट पड़े रोज रोज every day. You are a brahmachari. You are not supposed to meet the people. If you don't meet them, you will go out of the house, out of the ashram. Ashram is only one lane entry. Every day here. And these 4 boys, how are you? And teacher is front of us is standing. He said, you have become very serious. You are coming at this person. At this time, you don't come. We have to take the person. Small room, come inside the room. How is it? They came at 12:30. 3 o'clock is the class. I have to write notes also. Work on Sanskrit homework also. And they are ho. This only question is when this person will go. Well, you are not the same, as you were. No, wait, give me time. I'm a little busy right now. I'll come to you. Okay, this is the hard life we go through. Our likes, dislike went away. Ahankar went away. After 1 year, that sadness went away. House attachment went away. Now didn't matter. Now mind was more quieter, calmer. As you go, you become emotionally independent. You can meditate for a longer time. Because Shurasya Dhara means because to get our likes, dislikes, ahankar, to obliterate this process is a painful process sometimes. House, whatever you wish you do, but here koi wish hi nahi. Diwali came. September I came, Diwali came. Outside I heard cracker, dhadam, dhadam, going on. I remembered in my house, nice jackfruit vegetable was there. Puri was made. Mother used to cook nice delicacies were there. Mithai was there. Here nobody asked a single, nobody even wished also happy Diwali. All are just writing and reading everywhere. ये कोई दिवाली है? Then you understand what attachment was there. Then you remember, so from beginning I have been putting on new clothes on Diwali. This is the old white that is also torn also. Nobody is giving me white clothes. No, my white clothes. Slowly, the process of going and attaching to Lord alone is a tedious and difficult process. This path needs lot of faith, lot of humility, lot of egolessness, lot of dispassion, lot of bhakti. Everything in big amount is required. Little amount doesn't work. Let's understand, no? Very heavy amount is required. Unique dispassion is little. Too much of dispassion, too much of devotion. What will happen in the future? What is your program after the course is over? Wherever I am sent. ऐसे ही बोलते थे. Which center you want? No, anywhere. Anywhere, huh? You will agree? Yes. You want to go to hometown? No. ऐसे training होती है. Then study. You know how study is not that easy. Now you have to knowing that. You know how Sanskrit is not that easy. What do you say? Now you know that you are going very slow. Then is this is the case. We have to complete the Sanskrit course. Because Sanskrit course was there. Not that everything we repeated everything. If you don't do, scolding will be there. Or you will be asked to go out of the class. Hey, go out of the. You have done your homework. Bring your homework first. This is my only plain paper is the way the work. Well, you put the date and the name of the lesson. Sarvanama. Where is the Sarvanam here? Both are seeing each other. Throw the copying it out. Out. Where did you work? my my book was not with me. My friend took away. Hey, don't give this primary excuse. Out. First, mother, father is not there. This didn't haven't been be. Don't worry about that. Mother, father is not there. Eating things are not proper. Clothes are not there. On the top, you get scolding also. And nobody is giving emotional support. बेटा हाँ बेटा सब ठीक हो जाएगा मेरे मुन्ना मेरे चुच्चू सब अच्छे हो जाएगा क्या पियोगे दूध लोगे you will have Milo or milk Milo milk cereal we didn't know what is cereal what is Milo cereal was only in the television because it requires a lot of faith, because it requires dispassion, because it requires to walk alone, because it requires a lot of Guru Bhakti. You are giving your life without questioning. Because it requires a lot of concentration and meditative mind, and all these things required Sattva to develop it and to the hissings of the ego to quieten it, to get out of your laziness, calm, growth. All is all tedious. But one who crosses it, he is in heaven. There is a patch, difficult patch. If you can go through Agnipath, the fire walk, there is nothing blissful like. Somebody, not that everything was sad, because Guru Bhakti was there. Just darshan of Gurudev used to just give us everything. Only sight was required. Not that he has to talk to me. He did not talk. Who am I? He has bigger bus. I should not be given attention. Just ho gaya darshan. Chalo, let us chant Guru Paduka Stotra. Just remain quiet. You need, if something is in you, then you know that going to get a very big dividend of this chanting. Chanting is very important. Realize later on. Why? Because you cannot please God without chanting. There are a lot of Shakti hidden in chanting. The chanting words are the power packed words. It has to be chanted. It is compulsory whether you like or don't like. And same chanting I do today so much that I cannot tell you. It is so important to chant. Purush Suk, whether it is Narayan Suk, whether it is Durga Suk, it is must and it has to be rightly chanted to get the bigger results. Acha, it is very important. Bhagavad chanting, I'm waiting to chant that. Ramayana chanting, yes, you have to do Parayan slowly as you grow in your dispassion, in your quietness. If you have a Guru Bhakti is very much, Ishwar Bhakti is very much, then this path is so beautiful, then you can fire walk you can go through. Okay. Don't think. Therefore, what you had thought about the course, it was more difficult than what you thought. Well, we didn't know we had to write so much of notes also. We have to write. We didn't know we have so much to study. We have to hear everything. Every day you have to hear. We can't have here, some cricket or something play. No. Play with your mind and win the match. That is the only play you can have that. Acha, to stay here. In my house I have alone I live in my room. Here we are sharing the room. Sharing the room. We used to live in dormitories. 10 people, one bathroom. This is how The training is being given. अच्छा, हाँ, और मम्मी नहीं देखने आती थी कि हाउ आर यू बेटा, लो ले लो चॉकलेट ले लो, बस रख लो, मेरा मुन्ना बेचारा. Tiffin gave tiffin, some chili paneer was there. Here we became paneer, sweet paneer. Slowly. Gurudev, when he went to Tapovan Maharaj returned him. You will see in the film. Only where is the letter from Shivanandi Maharaj? Well, he will not brought, go back. There was no structured ashram. Only one room he had. And when he went to Gangotri, one room, too cold, half his leg used to be out because he was very tall. Path of renunciation. When you choose something difficult, your life becomes easier. And when you choose easy things, your life will become difficult. What you like, you do whatever like you do, no problem. But you will never be a big attainer in life. एक तपस्या होती है. Day is full of austerity, be full of, but I have pain. Your pain is there or nothing is there. You complete your work. I have pain. Where? Mentally pain is there. I feel like sleeping. No, you cannot sleep. You walk and do part. I feel like I'll get up. You will not get up. You get up. You walk and do part. Walk and do jab. You have not completed your job. Come on. Do your notes writing. You have to complete it. Why? Because this is what is required. You have been asked to do like that. You have to do. The spiritual path means you are coming to dissolve your wrong self. If you don't have love for higher self, then you will ever be unhappy person. You have dialed the wrong number. Better you would have gone somewhere else. This is a difficult path. Morning, see, so many years have passed, I am on time. Yesterday I slept so late, 1 o'clock. I was there at 3:30. Commitment is there for something. Not that I come sometimes, I am delayed somewhere. I just 2 minutes I delayed. 5 minutes before I should be in the class. She told that in our Sanskrit class people come at 3:30 straight. I said, ask them not to come. Close the door. Close the door if they are not coming. Don't be lenient on that. ऐसे नहीं होती, this is not a film that you come in with a popcorn in the hand. It's the ashram. It's a difficult course. I don't want the numbers that you should also be there, you should also be there. If you come, you come. You don't come, you don't come. We don't bother about it. Be serious in something. My point is only this. Kshurasya dhara nishta. This knowledge what you are getting so easily, and I'm teaching it with so much of giving one example, another example, third example, fourth example. Again I come in the class, again revise the whole thing back. You are not taught like that. One shlok over. Go ahead. This commentary is there. This is referred. This is not. We were taught like that. Tough teaching was there. Well, you go and find out. I'm not going to tell about the 7 properties about Atma I told. That is enough for you. Don't ask me again and again the question. We didn't have approach also. You can ask this question. Nobody used to check like that every day. So I want to say, just be a little careful and serious. You will not get this teaching so easily even in South Africa. Even in India also. Less ashrams are there which teach Vedanta there. So don't take it casually. You are getting it, everything's very well served. It is for you to maintain in your copies, in your notes, in your things. The schedule you are getting, Sanskrit classes you are getting. Who teaches Sanskrit like that in South Africa? You tell me somewhere. Which organization teaches Sanskrit like that? Tell me one who teaches this so much of patience that is going on for so many days. Who teaches that? Where you will go to get this knowledge? Who will teach the Upanishad like that? Who will teach Gita one shlok taking for half an hour, 1 hour every day? Try to value what you get. If you don't value what is valuable, you will lose your value. If you don't value what is valuable, don't say I have no value, because you devalued what was valuable in your life. Therefore, you have lost your value for many people. Let them be serious, be little careful. I'm not saying you have to be extra brilliant. Be sincere, be humble in your approach. Be little more. Take some pains, sleep on time. Some sleep at 11, 12 o'clock. When the time was given, you are expected to sleep by 10:30. Why you are awake till 11:30? Why are you awake till 12 o'clock? If you have to do something else, you should not be here then. You go somewhere else. This is ashram, not a house, not your papa's house that you sleep at 1 o'clock. And 5:30, you will have to be in the temple. Then in the class, you will be drowsy. Every moment we have to check ourselves, tighten our loose ends, discipline ourselves, put more effort in putting more tapasya in our life. Then you shine, then you can get. Because continuously classes are, again discussion classes are there, again another classes. You need an alert mind, you need a vigilant mind. If you are tired, you can rest. So, kshurasya dhara nishita duratya durgam pathastat. If you cannot leave your laziness, your ahankar, your attachment, then understand you will be a big liability, like a paralytic organ on the organization. Liability, you know, na? To whom you have to give lot of attention, and from that you get tension. So never be any paralytic person in your house or your organization or anywhere. Because here we come, just now you saw that Uttishta meaning of I am coming to dissolve my weaknesses. This is my problem. This is my problem. Some people, some with some project they come. And they insist, I want to do this only. Arey, you are insisting on your doership only. You have come to get out of ego, or you want to make that ego? That is what, this is not academic study of the university that you go and that is over there. Real test life will take. This prepares for the test of the difficult test that you are going to have in life. You see that. What life you are expecting, it will be much difficult than that. Let me tell you. What life you are expecting, it will be much difficult than that. Let it come. Here we prepare the person. Okay, make yourself, faith should be there. Humility should be there. Have attachment with God. Have your faith system bigger ready. Difficult हो गया ये. Shurasya dhara nishita duratya durgam pathastat kavayo vadanti. Topic is subtle here. Gyan margasya dusampadhyatvam vadanti iti abhipraya. This path is not that easy. It is difficult. So this is the 14th verse. We will see the 15th and 16th verse in complete.